afternoon everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the topic Internet of Things. It is presented by Omkar, Bhatkande, Shivswaroop, Desai, and we are from KIT College of Engineering. The contents that we cover from this paper presentation is that we give an introduction, methodology about the IoT, future scope, conclusion and references. About the introduction, Internet of Things is a network of physical objects and devices such as buildings and other things that are combined with electronic software, sensors, and of course the net connectivity, that is the internet, that enables these objects to collect and exchange the data. Now we see the architecture of IoT environment. It has basically 4 layers: perception layer, network layer, middleware layer, and application layer. In perception layer there are 2 things. It first takes the data and collaborates the data. In a network layer there are 2 sublayer: access sublayer and internet sublayer. The internet sublayer is the main backbone of the IoT architecture. First it takes the data from the perception layer and gives the data to the next layer. Then in the middleware layer there are 4 components. It takes the data, analyzes the data and processes the data. After processing it sends the data to the application layer. In application layer the data which is received, it is first analyzed and then its services are given to the end user. Now we come to the security aspect of these layers. First security aspect is about the network layer. The typical security aspect regarding it is the data confidentiality, availability and integrity of the data. As this network layer is dependent on sending the data from one layer to another, all 3 factors are here important, as well as the cybersecurity attacks can be done on it, such as integrity violation, DOS attacks, MITM attacks, etc. The security aspect regarding middleware layer is that the key security factor is the data segregation and data leakage prevention, because in middleware layer these 4 methods are done of analyzing the data and processing the data. Due to this, data leakage should be prevented, as well as there is a common security aspect of malicious user doing the attacks on it. The security aspect regarding application layer is that using the same IoT concept, potential attacks can be done on the application layer.
Okay, so now we see the smart city implementation models based on IoT. So the first model is smart traffic service. In smart traffic service we use RFID, which is radio frequency identification. Instead of GPS we use LPS, which is local positioning system, for locating the vehicle. The basic functionalities in the proposed system are a smart traffic light control system, which works on concentration of vehicle in the region. Next is about the parking space system, which works with spatial sensors installed in a parking space for communicating with the availability of spaces with the regional workstation. The third is the anti-theft system, which automatically retrieves the location of the stolen vehicle. So first we see the traffic system. In the figure given, we can see that in this system a vehicle mounted board is installed in each vehicle. The board consists of a transmitter, receiver, an onboard processor, GSM module, inbuilt memory, storage battery and an LPS tracker. Then we have installed a regional workstation at specific points in a city, which consists of a receiver, transmitter, a processor, memory and a local positioning system, which is LPS. It also consists of spatial sensors and it is connected with the traffic lights. So this traffic system works is the vehicle mounted boards give signal to the regional computing system, and based on it a concentration of vehicles in a region can be measured. This can be useful for the end user, as he can plan his route throughout the city. Next we will see the parking identification and reservation system. In this system sensors are installed in a parking space throughout the city. So a user can book for parking spaces online, and he can have a parking space and of his own. Next we will see the anti-theft security system. Based on the vehicle mounted board, the vehicle mounted board can give the location of the stolen vehicle. Along with it, the vehicle mounted board can be attached to the functioning unit of the vehicle. So on giving signal to the vehicle mounted board, it can stop the functioning of the vehicle and the vehicle will stop. Next we will see about the smart garbage management system. In the smart garbage management system, we have a sensing prototype which is installed in a garbage bin. It consists of network interface, controller, sensors and battery. It is connected to internet from where it is connected to the server. The server consists of database. Data management is carried out there. Optimization algorithms and artificial intelligence are used for managing the data, and information is forwarded to the end user, which is the garbage collector. The end user visualizes the data, and according to the data, he travels throughout the city for collection of the garbage, and the data is then sent to the database. Next we will see the smart education system. In the smart education system, basically consists of a smart school where the activity of the students is tracked via smart bands. Their athletic activity and other activities are also tracked via smart band. Online testing is carried out. The students are majorly studying via online testing and online educations. Next is the temperature and the air throughout the school is controlled via IoT devices, and other is sensors are installed in parking spaces so that parking can be done properly. Also sensors and IoT devices are installed in the school bus for verification of the student passengers. So let's talk about the future scope of IoT. A wide adaptation of Internet of IoT models will result in a large amount of data storage and retrieval. The human implanted RFID sensors can gather data about human body and use the IoT to upload data to the servers, which can be accessed by the physicians and can be used in the medical field. So finally, coming to the conclusion, we can say that IoT is though not a new concept, but it is still yet to be explored. Many things are to be done. There are also many security issues which are to be solved, and if it is done, it can prove to be a boon for the humankind and a fantastic technology for the future. Thank you.